crazy mother.
Hey guys, Joshua Roy here and welcome to Tech Boy. Today I will be showing you how to edit videos using InShot. So first you open the app, click on create new video, and since we are using this just to edit music tracks, you'll click on blank. So now this is the main canvas. So there is canvas, music, sticker, text, filter, picture in picture, precut, split, delete, volume, speed, duplicate, crop, rotate, flip, freeze, reverse, and settings. Settings is used for the video resolution and frame rate, but we don't need this. The main things that we need to edit a music track is music, sticker, text. That's all. And of course, this is the add button where you add the video and photo. And this is where you will click to save the video or to render it. So what do we do? Simple. You first click on music. Click on tracks. Then you search for the song that you want to add. Let's see, where is it? Now if you don't have the song in iTunes, you go to featured, imported music, then import from files. Or any other apps. You can also click other apps, but you won't be needing this. You click import from files, then I have it on my iCloud drive, downloads. So save imported files as, click on music, click on OK, then you click, then you click on this, click on use. So how to cut the music with the timings? Simple. So as you can see, the options to edit, you click on that. Then what you do is, the volume is low for some reason. Okay, so this song is knee socks, and the track that I am supposed to cut out is 0.36 to 0.40. So you notice these sliders, you slide this to 0.36.
With a cough drop colored
And you drag this to 0.36.
You are sitting in the corner with the cold.
And the end
With a
is
cough drop colored tongue.
0.48. So basically,
You are sitting in the corner. The coats are piled high.
click on yes. So now this has cut the track. So basically it's a 12-second video. So this is how you cut a music track. So now what we have to do is we have to insert a text. So you click on text, type Spotify, you hold it, change the color, you can change it to any color you want. I am changing it to green. Then you align it. Now notice a little white line. That's how you align it. And this is how you increase or decrease the font. Then you click on sticker, you click on the Spotify logo, decrease the size and insert it next like this. See? So this is a 12-second track. Now you click on text again, type in identify the song. Identify the song and you kinda do like this. See? To make it proper, I'm just dragging this like this. So identify the song. So 12 seconds is over. So you can just preview it.
with a cough drop
Now
colored
since I'm
tongue.
recording this using microphone,
You
the
were
voice is
sitting
decreased.
in the corner with the coats all piled high. And I thought
So you do like this. Then you add another blank photo. Click on text again. And the Spotify logo and this should be there. So identify the song. Should again be extended. So now how to insert a timer. For example, a 10-second timer. So what you do is you click on sticker. Then click on GIF. Then you can search here. Search for a timer. It'll give you the 10 seconds timer. So now the song is 12 seconds, but the timer is only for 10 seconds. Here's how you are supposed to use the trick. What you do is you launch the timer only after 2 seconds. So you can notice here. Notice how I do it for 2 seconds. So basically it's something like this. So the music will start playing and the 10-second timer exactly starts after 2 minutes. Then wait till it
sitting
goes
in
for
the
0
corner with the coats all piled high. And I thought
and later, as soon as it reaches 10, as soon as this goes to 0.01, what you do is you click on cut or split. You click on split. Wait, it's not like this. Yeah, here you click here, then you click on split, then delete this. So after 1 second it stops. So we'll do a transition of times up. So for that you click add on text, write times up 3 exclamation point. If you want you can make it blinking. For that what you do is you click on edit, click on this and click on the bulb icon. See? So after this you can see that it does this animation. Now you can also add sound effect. The sound effect of the alarm. For that what you do is you click on music, effects, and it has many effects. You can choose any one of those. So since we want an alarm effect, we go to bells. You can choose anything you want. I think this warning siren is better. So after this it'll be something like this. So time's up. click on this. So next, click on add another blank. So this is a pause. Then another blank. This is where we'll reveal the answer. So now again you click on text. Then you extend these, the Spotify and the logo. And after identify the song, there should be a pause. Now what you do, you again click on text, write correct answer. Now for this tutorial I'm only adding one song. So the correct answer thing I'm going to add only after one song. But since you guys are going to do more than one songs, what you have to do is give a 3-second pause after each song and then you put the correct answer. But after this, don't end the video. Okay. After correct answer and then the answer you write, what you have to do is you need to continue doing like this for the other songs. Okay. So keep that in mind. So what's the correct answer? It's knee socks. You can make this a little bit big. It's knee socks by let me just check. It's knee socks by Arctic Monkeys. Okay. So correct answer knee socks. Then you have to write artist Arctic Monkeys. So you do something like this. And I would like the format to be like this. It's kind of nice. Correct answer knee socks by artist Arctic Monkeys. So now let's add our last sound effect, the applause. The applause sound. So after you done all this, you just play it back to make sure that it's perfect.
Colored town. You are sitting in the corner with the coats all
I'm
piled
sorry guys,
high.
the voice is
And I
low.
thought
So after time's up, notice that so I noticed something. It's bickering. So how to fix this? So we need to disable the transition for this correct answer. So let me just do that real quick. Now guys, after you complete the video, don't just finish it off. You need to always play it back once or twice to make sure everything's perfect. I always do that. And also I have to make sure whether the picture, the logo, everything's proper. So I'll play it back one more time.
with a cough drop colored town. And you are sitting in the corner with the coats all piled high. And I thought
So this is the time so that they can identify the song. Then the correct answer. Now this canvas is basically for the ratio. Whether you want it 16:9 or 4:5 aspect ratio or 1:1, 9:16. These are known as the aspect ratios. Now, I'm guessing since we are going to use this in the PPT, I think it's better to go with 4:3 aspect ratio. Notice that how things change after you change it to 4:3 aspect ratio. So I want you guys to do it with the same aspect ratio. So now you can see, I can just make this closer. And make this larger. So this looks nice. And also this timer, I can make it even larger. I can put it centrally. Then this times up thing also, I can make it more central. So that's it. We are done with the video. Now remember guys, we have to do more than one song. So we have to continue the same way. And always remember that the Spotify logo and the word Spotify, you need to extend it till the video end. Or that's how I'll do it. Okay, so now what you do is you click on this, save, resolution 180p, frame rate 30 fps, click on save. So now this will basically render the video. The main reason why I recommend using InShot is the rendering is pretty fast. See? The only disadvantage is you can see there's ads. So now it's saved. That's all. So thanks for watching guys.
with a cough drop colored tongue. And you were sitting in the corner with the coats all piled high. And I thought